This is Rafael from Martin Solutions, and today I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest automations you can implement for your online business, and this could help triple your sales. And the way we're going to do this is what we're simply going to take information from a lead form, from a contact form, and then add it directly to your CRM. And the way this is going to help triple your sales is because you want to strike while the iron is hot. And it's been tried and tested that a lead is 3 times as likely to be converted when you contact the lead within the first 30 seconds of having submitted the form. So I'm going to teach you how to do that real quick. And for that, you need 3 things. You're going to need your make.com account, which is going to be our bread and butter. This is the glue where we're going to set up our automations. And we're going to need, of course, your website with the form and your CRM. For this instance, I'll be using this testing Hubspot account. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. So in order to hook up your form to the make.com for automations, we're going to go ahead and use a webhook. And then we're going to create a custom webhook. Then just create webhook. We're going to give it a name. Demo webhook. It could be anything, any name. This is just for reference purposes, and we're going to hit save. And now it's going to be listening when we hook it up. So we're going to go ahead and click on this button to copy the address. And then we're going to go to our website. In this case, you're going to go to the WordPress administrator of this site. And what you want is, in the case of a WordPress website, is you want a form plugin that supports webhooks, right? So in this case, I'll be using Forminator, which supports webhooks right out of the box. There are some other plugins like WP Forms, which also support webhooks, but I believe WP Forms requires a premium membership to support webhooks. For the sake of this example, I'll simply be using Forminator. And in the case of Forminator, you simply go to the integrations page, and then you need to activate webhook, which I've already done. Then you need to make sure you create your form. You go to the form section, and then, you follow the instructions to create a form. You click on the button there to create. You can just follow the instructions. Forminator also comes with some templates, so you can just choose the average contact form template, and it'll be ready, which is what I did here. So I'm just going to skip through the process of creating the form. I'm going to go ahead and edit this one, which I've already saved up. And then we're going to go to integrations. So this one's already created. It already has the fields for the name and address, email address, and phone number. Then you got to go to the integrations for that form, and you're going to activate webhook. We're going to label it make, and we're going to add the URL we just copied here. And it should get a confirmation. It says connected and sample data. Because here, successfully determined. All right, so we should be able to test it. Let me just move this around. And it's running. So now, if we go to the test form and just fill it out and send the message, and we have a look at it, we can see that it ran successfully. All right. So now what we're going to do is now we need to hook it up to the CRM, in this case HubSpot. So I'm going to go ahead and add another module, and then we're going to go to HubSpot, and then create or update a contact. There you go. Compact. And this will be the final most important part. So now what we're going to do is we want to map the information that we're receiving from the form to the corresponding fields on the HubSpot contact information. So we're going to go, and first we're going to select first name. That's the field for HubSpot. And then the value from the form, first name. And then add item for last name. Last name there. Last name from the form. Another one for email. Get email. All right. For now, we'll just go with those. Make it okay. All right. And it's mapped out and it should be working. So we're just going to go ahead and run the process again. And then we'll go and fill it up and then send. And then we go here. And it seems to have run. So then we go here, hit refresh, and there it is. So now the contact has been immediately added to Hubspot, and then if you have set up a workflow, you can have a workflow running where the contact immediately receives a text message or an email or even a phone call directly. And that's how you set up one of the easiest implementations on automations.